it's Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe. Hey, it's National Lipstick Day and we're gonna do a quick video of me looking for the perfect red. Stay tuned. Okay, it's National Lipstick Day and I filmed a video the last 2 days and of me searching for the perfect red. And let's look into it. But before that, make sure you go to MAC and get your free lipstick, and go to Sephora. I think having a sale of Anastasia Beverly Hills buy one get one lipstick. So enjoy National Lipstick Day. Now let's watch my video. Okay, so today I'm on the hunt for the perfect red lipstick. I searched my house. We actually don't have that many between my daughter and me. I have 8 red lipsticks to try. One is mine from many years ago, and I'm pretty sure that's not the one for me. It's very brick colored. But the rest are all different shades of red. So, this is the deal. For many years, I was like, for some reason, thought in my head, like, lipstick had to be natural looking. So I was always looking for like a plum color, more like a lip color lipstick. And you know, that was okay, but it didn't really pop or shine. And then I started wearing, a couple years ago, like some brighter colors, brighter pink colors, and those made me happy. And then the whole last year, pretty much almost exclusively worn like bubblegum pink color, because that makes me so freaking happy. But I was like, I can't just stay with the same color all the time. And then, oh, when I took a break, I'd go back to my mauves, my plums, and or the nudes. I don't rock a nude lip. I just don't. I have to have pops of color and fun. So I thought, why not go back to the red lipstick of my 20s. But so let's see if we can find a new red for the 45-year-old me, not the 21-year-old me. Okay? The lightest one I found was this, and it's almost pinky, but I would consider it still a red. So let's just get started and see. Ulta Beauty lip gloss doesn't have much red in it, does it? That's pretty. That's pretty. It's like a mess though. I might like right away I'm making a mess. I like it. Okay, but that's a topper. Hold on, I have no tissues. Why would I make this video without a box of tissue? Okay, I got my tissues. Okay, so a red lip gloss is definite plus for me. Let's go with something a little more intense than that. Now that is a red. It is number 111. I'm gonna say it. I hate this lipstick. Suddenly I look pale and sickly, and I just look harsh. Okay, next up is RIMMEL 107. Let's see what this is. This is a darker, almost berry color. No. It's the old people lips too that are part of the problem. And the bleeding through. I gotta say, both of these feel so good on my lips though. I'm old and my wrinkles show. No. Look at that one. Oh, that's pretty. I think it's a little orangey again. The thing about red lipstick is that you can't like mess it up. Like, holy shit, I look like hell. Is it just the lighting? It's the lipstick. It just changes everything, doesn't it? Can't get this lip to go up. Okay, I have a NYX. I think it's from the vault. Yes, I put my lipstick on upside down. Why are they so orange? Okay. That's a no. How do people do this? I didn't even apply it right, but we can tell it's like way far back. not for me. All right, next up is one I actually wear. My lip's starting to hurt. This is a pretty berry one. Wine. Burgundy. All right, so clearly all the reds in my house are orange. If you have a recommendation, please drop it down below. Okay, so I was super disappointed yesterday that I could not find a red in my house. So I went to Target and I picked up 2 more reds to try out. All right, RIMMEL 170. Doesn't look any different than the others. All right, last but not least, the 179 Wet n Wild's red. I should tell you that I went to Sephora yesterday too, and I looked at reds, and I didn't really see any I loved, but I also didn't want to spend any money because I wasn't sure I was going to wear it, and kind of couldn't be cheap that way. So let's try the cheap version. Let's see what this looks like. Feels good, looks stupid. I'm going to do swatches and show you how every single color looks exactly the same. I tried 10 identical reds on, and none of them worked for me. All right, well that's it. That's my failed search for a red lipstick for National Lipstick Day. Hooray! Hey, run to MAC, go get yourself a free lipstick, stop by Sephora and buy one, get one, Anastasia Beverly Hills lipsticks. And I just might wear a red one just because it's National Lipstick Day. Why not? Thanks for watching Melanie Mills, another stupid video. Bye-bye. I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. I like makeup. I'm not a beauty guide or a guru or a makeup artist. I'm just me, having fun. Subscribe to my channel to watch more stupid videos of Melanie. Thanks!